Welcome back, guys. So I've got a great new add-on for you guys. It's called the Focus add-on. Guys, this is a similar add-on to or fork to Exodus. However, it scrapes up a lot of sources and gives you a lot of content. Guys, before we go any further, I would like to thank all those guys that have been supporting me and actually hitting the subscribe tab. Thanks for your support and growing my channel. So guys, if you're new to my channel and you're watching this video, please hit that subscribe tab, hit that bell notification to get the latest updates, and leave your comments down below. So guys, let's get on to this add-on. So as we see, it opens up, you've got movies, TV shows, top movies as well. So if you open up the movies tab, we've got trending, popular, in theater, anticipated movies, box office, dead of night. So you got a whole list here, guys. Oscar winners as well. So if we click on Oscar winners, so there we have it, guys. These are all Oscar winners movies. So you got from 2000s to the 98s. You got everything in one app, guys. It works flawlessly. It scrapes a lot of sources, so you have plentiful to have a buffer free streaming experience. So if we go back out, we go into TV shows, you've got trending, popular, anticipated, premieres, genres, networks, new. So as you see, guys, there's a big list on this. Go back out, let's go into top movies, which is my favorite. So you got a whole list, guys. So you got from romantic, political, war. You got different genres here to actually pick from. I love the 80s. Guys, however, it does take some time to open it up, but as I say, we want the sources to work. So this add-on actually gives you that scraping sources that actually work, and there is a variety that actually pops up. So there we have it, guys. Look at this. Some old favorites here. So we can go back out, guys. These new Kodi add-ons or tutorials that I do are going to be short. It's just to get to the point and get you guys streaming. So let's get to installing this, guys. You're gonna go back out, so you're gonna click on settings, file manager, you're gonna click on add source, guys, and you're gonna click on none. So once that's there, I'm just gonna show you what I've already done already. So you're gonna edit source and you're gonna enter the source, guys. So it's http://repo.lockdown.in. You're gonna give it a description name or a source name, and if you want, you got a whole lot of add-ons. You can just put a small hashtag at the top or next to it, so it brings it to the top of your list. You click OK and you exit out, guys. Back to the main screen, you click on add-ons. You're going to click on the box in the top left corner and install from zip file. You're going to look for lockdown and you're going to install the lockdown repository. So once you click on that, you're going to give it a few minutes to actually update and install into your Kodi. And there you have it, guys. You've got the pop-up appearing here. Then you're going to click on install from repository. You're going to go down to the lockdown repository. You're going to go to video add-ons, and there we have it, guys, focus. So you'll click on focus, and where it says uninstall for me, it'll say install for you. So once you click that, you will click install and click open, and there we have it, guys. The add-on installed and works flawlessly. So guys, once again, if you're new to my channel, hit the thumbs up or thumbs down and support my channel by hitting the subscribe tab. Leave your comments down below as well, guys. I'm trying to bring you the best content available, so I hope it's helpful to you guys. So stay tuned and I'll see you in my next upload. Thanks for watching, guys.